Hey gang, it's Jerry McManus here again from Keller Williams, and today I wanted to talk about 3 things that could influence your credit scores. Number 1 is your debt to income. Your debt to income, and that's a simple ratio. Say for the sake of argument, you owe $200,000 and you make $20,000 a year. Guess how much house you're buying? That's exactly right. And for those of you that said goose egg, here's looking at you, kid. So, but what you want to be able to take a look at, your debt to income, and make sure that that would be sufficient for you to be able to buy a home. Do you have the ability to buy a home based upon that? Number 2, are you consistent with paying your debts? Because a lot of times I've asked people this question, are you behind on anything? And they go, no. And that's correct today, except it wasn't correct last week, nor was it correct 2 months ago, nor was it correct 4 months ago. So even though you may be current now, because you were 30 days late, a few months back before that, and say you even had a charge off somewhere along the line, those things weigh on your credit. And the third one is high balances on your revolving debt. That's important that you work that correctly. What you don't want to do is owe $400 on a $500 available balance. And that's not the same, by the way, as owing $400 on a $1,000 balance. What the credit companies, they generally want to see you using less than half of your available credit. And also at the same time, being able to make consistent payments over time. They want to know how you handle money. And that's really the big thing about that, is that the people who are going to be lending you hundreds of thousands of dollars want to see that you're faithful in using the credit that you already have, so that when they extend more credit, you're already in the habit of using your credit correctly. Hey guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. This way we can stay connected. Here's my contact information should you have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.